Hi, this is Julie from AT Apps together with Dr. Lillian Fawcett from Cracking the ABC Code to show you how to use Zoom for online lessons. To create an account is very easy with Zoom. Just search for Zoom Australia and you'll find here it is. It is actually zoom.us, the website. Go up here, sign up, it's free. The paid version allows 3 people or more to be in a video meeting for more than 40 minutes. But I did see a pop-up recently last week, that's around the 15th of March, to show that because of what's going on in the world, Zoom has made it free for everybody. So you can have all features of their program for free. So you would go to sign up, it's free, and you would just create an account on this page. I've already created an account, so I'm going to go into sign in. And here you can see my account here. Here on the left hand side, I'm going to go onto meetings and we can see all of my lessons already booked in for my students. So if I'm going to create a new lesson appointment time, I go to schedule a new meeting. Then I set the date and the time, set the duration. I strongly recommend that you enable a waiting room. That means that when you're doing student lessons back to back, you can have a few minutes of carryover between one to another. Otherwise, if you don't put that in, you could have a problem. So I'm going to click on save. And then what I like to do is go down here to copy the invitation, copy the meeting invitation. Then I would go into my email account to send an email to the person who will be attending the meeting. I tend to highlight the meeting ID in red so that it's easier for parents to see to enter that when they need it, and then we click send. When we're ready to start the lesson, we click on start this meeting. And then we open Zoom. So you can see there's my lesson heading, and down here is the toolbar for you to control a range of things. Unmute yourself, obviously, so that they can hear you. Turn on the video so that they can see you. Now we can see here that we've got the video going, and here you can see that my student has entered the room, so I'm going to admit the student into the room. So she's connected to the audio. Hello, Lillian.
Hello, how are you going, Julie?
Great, thanks. How are you?
Excellent.
Very good. So just going back down here at the bottom, so I've admitted my student into the room, so now I'm going to go here to share screen, and I can choose here if it's going to be the screen that we were just on. I can have a whiteboard and all sorts of different programs there that I've got running. So I'm going to go to just the main screen again, share, and now Lillian will be able to see my screen any second.
I can see it now already.
So then I can just launch into my lesson, bring in the worksheet that we're going to be doing, and if my student has a touchscreen computer, they can write on that worksheet or that sort of thing. Down at the bottom here, I'm going to say that multiple participants can share simultaneously rather than just one. And if I share my screen again, this time with a whiteboard, we can write on the whiteboard. So this is where we can do some spelling and dictation exercises. It obviously works much better when they have got a touch screen. Drawing with a mouse isn't ideal. Lillian, can you have a go at drawing on that screen for us?
That doesn't connect up.
Up at the top, I think there is the toolbar.
The toolbar allowing me to annotate.
Yes, so I've got select, there's a T for typing.
Annotate, and I can do...
You can go onto the draw, perfect, draw.
Radio.
And then write on the screen.
Okay. So...
There we go. Excellent. Now if we have a look here at this toolbar, it's jumping away quite quickly, but here we can see that there's the option here for there you go, remote control. So I use this for assistive technology. Sometimes I need to control the student's screen and computer myself, so I can do that with that remote control option. If I wanted to clear everything that was on that whiteboard, I would click on clear all drawings. I've got the option there, all drawings, or my drawings, or the viewer's drawings. So I'm going to clear all there. And I'm going to change what I'm sharing. So I'm going to do stop share, then come here, and then I can share a particular program that I might be using, or a particular folder or something like that as well. And if I go back to the screen and share that one, some students, we might want them to do dictation by typing, so they would click on text, click on the screen, and then they can type their sentence. And we can give them feedback on that. And if we need to change from that mode, remember we just need to click on the mouse so that we can go out and change different things. When you finish the lesson, you click here onto stop share and down here to end meeting for all, and then you would go into your next student meeting.